Hey guys, it's Baby Pink Gamer here and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPad mini 6. I am so excited because I wanted to go ahead and get this just for basically productivity and to be able to organize myself a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll also be unboxing a rose gold case and the new Apple Pencil later on in this video. As always, links will be down in the description. I chose the pink 64GB Wi-Fi version because obviously I love pink, and the 256GB version was just a little more than I wanted to spend right now. The pink is a really blush baby pink, which I really like. It comes off a little rose gold on camera, but it's definitely a little bit more baby pink. In the box, you of course have your instruction booklets and stickers, your charging cable, and your charging brick. Before I go any further, I'm going to go ahead and put on my screen protector. I bought this 2-pack from Amazon. I believe the brand is called Sparin. I'll have it linked down below. I also bought this really cute rose gold case from Amazon just to have something to protect my iPad. I'm not the biggest rose gold fan, and it comes off really peachy on camera, but the color looks a lot cuter in person. I completely forgot to show you guys the sides of the iPad. On the top you have the volume buttons and the Touch ID power button along with speakers. On the bottom you have another set of speakers with the charge port. And on the right you have the magnet where you attach your Apple Pencil to charge. The back of the case is a soft TPU material, which I prefer, so you don't have to worry about the corners cracking on you, and I find them to be a little bit more protective for my electronics. Here's a quick comparison of the iPad mini and my bigger tablet, which is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. It has a 10.4 inch screen and the iPad mini has an 8.3 inch screen. I also wanted to show you a comparison to my Kindle Paperwhite 10th Gen in case you're a reader like me. The smaller size is so much easier for me to hold and use compared to the bigger sizes. Finally, we have the 2nd Gen Apple Pencil. This is my first time owning an iPad and Apple Pencil, but I've used my fiance's before and I honestly really like it compared to the S Pen that my Samsung tablet came with before the upgrade. It's just way more comfortable for me to hold and write with. If you want to see any videos on how I customize my iPad home screen or what I have on my iPad, let me know in the comments down below. I'm really happy they finally updated the iPad mini, and I'm honestly loving it so much. So far I've been using it for digital planning and journaling, watching my friends' Twitch streams and shows, playing Genshin Impact, and so much more, and I truly feel like it's the perfect size for me. And just in case you were wondering, it's the perfect size for all of your super cute Loungefly backpacks too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!